Sounds like a tin can. It's like
HoonTV.
Alright, so here I am driving the FG Ute. It's very echoey in here, and that's because I pulled the roof lining out because it was totally sagged and horrible like pretty much every other Falcon of this era. I took it to Ben from Elite Trim. He's done an amazing job and actually wrapped it around the corners, which Ford never did. So it's going to be way better than it ever was. The funny thing is you shut the door on this thing and it sounds like a tin can. It's like, I've just been and grabbed some Carbuilders sound deadening, and I'm going to go home and put some sound deadening in the roof before the roof lining goes back in and make it not sound like that anymore, and it'll be way nicer to drive. Also replacing the outside door handles on this because they're all scratched up, because I think somebody before me had a Super Bowl ring or something like that and they scratched the crap out of the door handles. So it'll have fresh shiny door handles on it and some Carbuilders in the doors as well, and a few other things happening with this car which I won't go into yet, but watch this space. Right, so first thing I've done is I had the visor on here still because I need it for driving, and secondly I've already cut the tape here. See, look, Carbuilders, you can follow on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if their TikTok account has been brought back up, because TikTok are a bunch of people. And yeah, so now my phone's ringing. I've got to answer it. All right. Alright, so I had no idea what I was up to because I just had a phone call, which was important. So I have just given the roof a wipe down with this IPA. So now I've got the Carbuilders sound deadener there, the black label, and box is already open. I've cut that open just to save you guys watching me do it. So there's 12 sheets of this in here. It comes out kind of like something like this, if I can get one out. So like that. It's actually nice and thin, so it's not going to take up too much room. I also have an application roller, which I'll be rolling it onto the roof with. So I've got my trusty texter here, well, paint pen. I'm going to sit a sheet in place and start making it. You don't have to cover the whole roof from end to end, but it does help if you want it to be neat, but it's all going to be hidden under the roof lining anyway. So got that much to cover, and I reckon these sheets are going to cover plenty of it. All in and covered, and I am just about to put this in. Time lapse. Yeah, I'm all good. I was just working on the car.